Is your Chevy Tahoe not connecting to Siri through CarPlay properly? Most connectivity issues are resolved by simply checking your iPhone settings before you even touch the truck. Let us walk through the configuration steps to get voice commands working. First, ensure Siri is fully enabled on your iPhone and permitted to run while the screen is locked. Sometimes the Tahoe infotainment system just needs a fresh handshake with your device to recognize voice inputs. If wireless is acting up, try a certified lightning cable to see if the connection stabilizes. As you can see, the vast majority of issues are solved by adjusting iPhone settings, not the truck itself. If it still fails, check for pending iOS updates and verify that CarPlay is not blocked by screen time restrictions. Keep a high-quality cable handy and make sure your phone port is free of debris for the best performance. Remember that a clean connection is the foundation of a smooth CarPlay experience. Now your Tahoe is ready to assist you safely with hands-free commands.